Hello! In this video, we will show you how to sign up for over-the-phone interpreting with Accentable Services. This will give your organization on-demand access to over-the-phone interpreting services in more than 260 languages and dialects. Step 1. Go to accentableservices.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Step 2. Choose your over-the-phone interpreting plan from the options available. Accentable Services offers a monthly subscription, a pay-as-you-go starter pack, and an annual subscription. Step 3. Click on the Sign Up Now button for your chosen plan. This will take you to the order page. Step 4. Enter your information on the order page. Step 5. When you're done reviewing your information, go ahead and click the Sign Up button. And success! You will be directed to the thank you page. Step 6. Check your inbox. You'll receive a confirmation email and a welcome email. The welcome email will contain everything you and your organization will need to start using over-the-phone interpreting services right away. Now that you've learned how easy it is to sign up for over-the-phone interpreting with Accentable Services, we hope you'll join us and sign up today.